Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we're driving north on US Highway 11 in McMinn County, Tennessee. We begin our video at Tennessee Mile 68. We enter the city of Nyota, which had a population of 772 as of the 2020 census. Originally, the community went by the name Mouse Creek. However, in 1897, the residents decided to change it to avoid confusion with a railroad stop in Jefferson City called Mossy Creek. The new name chosen was Nyota, inspired by a character from a dime novel, a Native American chief called Neotah. The Nyota Depot, constructed in 1854 for the East Tennessee, Virginia, and Georgia Railway, holds the distinction of being the oldest surviving railroad depot in Tennessee. Today it serves as the Nyota City Hall. In 1988, a remarkable group of women, affectionately known as the Golden Girls of Nyota, launched a successful campaign for the city council. This victory marked one of the first all-female city councils in the United States at the time, and they were the only one in existence then. Running under the banner of the People's Choice Party, this group was led by Mayor Effie Loans, who was 78 years old at the time and held the title of the oldest elected female official in the country. Each member of the Golden Girls was also a grandmother, and their campaign saw 4 of them being elected through write-in votes. They even distributed sample ballots before Election Day to help voters become familiar with the write-in voting process. US 11 is known as Wilson Street in Nyota, although there's no readily available information on the origin of that name in the historical records I can access. We enter Monroe County with a population of 46,250 as of 2020. A part of the county falls within the Cherokee National Forest. About 7 miles southeast of Sweetwater in Monroe County lies the Lost Sea, a cave discovered in 1905 by 13-year-old Ben Sands. This underground lake is the largest of its kind in North America. The cave tour now includes boat rides on the lake using electric motors. In 1940, the cave yielded fossilized skeletons and footprints of 2 Pleistocene jaguars, a discovery excavated by George Gaylord Simpson of the American Museum of Natural History. We're going to cut this video short at mile 76 so that we can keep the entire city of Sweetwater in our next video. Thanks for watching. We've enabled channel memberships, so for just $1 or more a month, you too can help support our channel. Click the link in the description to join. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.